to our puppets for our skit.
Hello there, Sophie. How are you today?
I happen to be exceptionally good today. In fact, I was excited.
Wait a minute, Sophie. Did you say excited?
That's exactly right. I must say more than that. Today I'm ecstatic.
Now, Sophie, you need to settle down a bit. Why do you keep saying egg so much?
Well, Grandpa, I'm glad you asked me. Now let me explain. Easter's next week, right?
Yes, that's right.
Well, I think eggs are a good thing at Easter time to help us remember what Easter means.
Now, Sophie, you aren't another one of those kids who just thinks Easter is a time to get candy eggs and eat them up, do you?
No, of course not. I know that the meaning of Easter is that Jesus Christ rose from the dead.
Then why all the talk about eggs?
I think eggs are a good illustration of what that's understood. And here's what I mean. Look at this egg. What is inside it?
As far as I know, only egg stuff. The white and the yolk is inside the egg.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean, when this egg hatches, what will come out of it?
Oh, I get it. A chicken will come out of the egg.
That's exactly right. It doesn't look like it right now, but there's life inside the egg. That is the way it looked when Jesus died and put him in his tomb. It didn't look like there was life in the tomb, did it?
No, Sophie, it did. People thought Jesus was dead and gone.
Right, and that is like this egg. When you look at it, it's hard to imagine that life will come out of it. Just like when people looked at the tomb where Jesus was buried, it was hard to imagine that life would come out of that.
That's right, Sophie. It looked like Jesus was dead and gone, but he wasn't. He died for our sins, and then on the third day, he came alive again. Life came right back out of that tomb.
Exactly right. Now it's not so bad of a thing that I'm thinking about eggs today, is it?
Not a bad idea at all. Easter eggs can remind us how Jesus rose from the tomb on Easter morning. Thanks, Sophie, for reminding me about what Easter is all about.
Is that at this time, is that there are so many things calling for our attention. So many things that want to distract us here and there. So many things that we might worry or be afraid about. But our God invites us to have that solid foundation of his truth be our very strength, our confidence, and our hope in this time. Is that even at this time, he offers to us that new life, that new hope of what it means for Jesus to rise again and to be even now living and reigning on high. Is that he's still in control not only of the world, but of our lives as well. And so we give thanks that he is the one who continues to guide our steps, and in every move we make, that he is the one who walks beside us. And so may God bless you this day. And so at this time we continue with our service. Is that our next thing is that we join together in the Lord's Prayer. And so I invite you to please pray with me. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory, forever and ever.